Thutha wa aciari na macukuru matiganite guteta ni kwaga kuiganira na maumirira ma mwaka uyu ma kigeranio gia KCPE, riu gikundi kia Elimu Bora kiria kirumbuianagia na ihoto cia maundu ma githomo ni githiete igoti-ini gikienda woyani wa arutwo a kirathi gia form 1 wambe urugamio o nginya mathina maria meyumiritie maumirira-ini macio mambe marorwo na marungwo. Elimu Bora ikiuga kigeranio kia muthia gia KCPE kiinikirire na mateta maria magararite ihoto cia arutwo na njira nene.
That there appears to be a clear violation of the rights of the pupils whose results have been tampered with and a continuation of processing of the same without an independent validation process may further aggravate the situation.
At a time when Kenyans expected a better closure to the 844 system at the primary school level, at least to give a stronger indication of the government's resolve to improve the education sector and elbow it out of the putrefying morass of inefficiency and ineffectiveness, we have yet again been exposed to the end of the 844 era with a big error.
Gikundi giki ni kiratariria mamwe ma maundu maria monanitie wagi wa waragania thiini wa maumirira maya, umwe wamo ari arutwo othe a cukuru umwe kuhandania maumirira ma mathomo matiganite.
The second shocker was when some students received results on subjects they never did. For instance, many students received results for the Kenyan Sign Language, whereas they neither registered for it nor attempted to do it, but they just received them. Then the third shocker was when students sitting for same subjects, getting same marks, but different grades. E.g. the cases of students getting 73% in science, now while some getting A for that 73, then others getting grade B for the same score. The fourth shocker was when lists of schools, at least 2 reported by the media, had almost all students of one single school getting same scores in a single subject. For instance, there was a school that got 75% in science, so everybody gets 75%. Then another school got 83% for everyone. Every student gets 83% for social studies.
Makiorota ruhonge rwa igeranio NEC, gikundi giki kiroria kugia na waragania thiini wa ruhonge rwa mathomo.
I think it's also an obligation for us as Kenyans to just come out and call out this kind of situations. It's completely unacceptable. And this has been the trend actually for many years, where examinations are traded off, and also exams are also treated like a matter of life and death. I think it's also this negative competition which also lead to this kind of immorality. This is extremely immoral.
Giki nikio kirari kigeranio kia muthia gia KCPE thiini wa mutaratara wa mathomo wa 844, undu uria uraima murutwo uria waga kuiganira na maumirira make mweke wa gucokera. Ngiribotera Inooro TV, getwo Karo Kinyugo Mwaura.